Hi everybody, welcome to a short introduction on Python. Today I'm going to take you through the process of utilising lists in Python, which is our substitute for arrays for National 5 and higher. What the program we're going to look at is a lottery numbers program, and the program is going to create a random number, which you've done in my previous videos. And it's going to create 6 random numbers, should I say, and then it's going to populate those as lottery numbers into an array. So on front of you, what I've got is the basic bones of the project. So we've got at the top, we've got our lottery numbers program, today's date, and it's created by myself. And also we've put in initialize the random module, create array, generate random numbers, and then display those lottery numbers. So starting off with initial random module, just like my previous videos, it is involving you importing random to initialize the random number module from within Python. We then need to create the array. We're going to call it numbers, and in Python, we're utilizing lists, which are the square brackets, and all we're going to do is to say we're going to multiply that by 6. All we do that for is just to show that we are utilizing 6 different numbers into that array, and it's something that we can showcase throughout our programming, and it helps with SQE marking and all that kind of stuff along those side of things. Then we're going to do is to generate the random number. So all we say is just previously we've done the same. So we say number equals random, and random.rand range. And we're going to say that the numbers, just like a lottery, would be between 1 and 59. And we're going to close off that bracket. Okay. And then what we need to do is to do it for more than one number, because we need 6 different numbers. So we need to put in a fixed loop. So for x in range, 1 to 7, semicolon, put in our indentation, and then we've created our random number for 6 random numbers. What we need to do now is to put in each one of those numbers. We need to apply that into our array, because we've got our number variable here, but our array is called numbers. So we need to say that numbers, so the list item, we're going to append, so we're going to add the number variable each time that goes around that loop. Okay. And lastly, we're going to say we're going to print. Let's say your weekly lottery numbers are, print out numbers. So take that space out there. So we've created a program that's initialized our random module, created an array, created 6 random numbers using random range and our fixed loop. We've appended it, so we've added it to the array, and we're displaying it. So if we give that a run, save it. I'll just save it as a lottery. Save, yes, I want to replace it. And my weekly lottery numbers are 2, 48, 45, 6, 25, and 58. Okay, so give that a try. See what you can, if you can create a program that will create 6 random numbers and add those numbers to an array.